Welcome back to Florence. In part 2 of our walking tour, we leave the spiritual heights of the Duomo and descend into the city's political heart, the Piazza della Signoria. This square has been the center of Florentine civic life since the 14th century, a stage where power was performed through stone and bronze. Dominating the square is Palazzo Vecchio, a massive Romanesque fortress designed by the same architect who began the Duomo. Its tower houses the Alberghetto, a small prison cell that once held both Cosimo the Elder and the radical monk Savonarola. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. At the entrance stands a replica of Michelangelo's David, originally placed here in 1504 as a symbol of the Republic's defiance. Beside it, Hercules and Cacus represents the Medici family's physical power and their ultimate victory over their rivals. To the right of the palace is the Loggia dei Lanzi, a rare open-air museum that houses some of the world's finest Renaissance bronzes. Cellini's Perseus stands as a grim warning to the Medici's enemies, a masterpiece of bronze casting and political propaganda. Nearby, Giambologna's Sabine Women captures a frantic energy, designed to be viewed from every side, a first in European art. Step inside, and the fortress becomes a palace. The courtyard is a feast of stucco and frescoes, once the private domain of the Medici dukes. The Salone dei Cinquecento is the largest room in the city, built for the Republic's council, but later turned into a monument to Medici military glory. Vasari's massive murals tell the story of Florentine victories, concealing the architectural secrets of the Medici family. In the map room, we see how the Renaissance mind viewed the world, centered around a giant globe and detailed geographic charts. Back in the square, a simple plaque marks the exact spot where the radical monk Savonarola met his fiery end in 1498. A manatee's Neptune fountain, affectionately called Il Biancone by locals, celebrated Florence's naval ambitions. Leaving the square, we walk through the Uffizi colonnade toward the river that has shaped Florence for millennia. Behold the Ponte Vecchio, the old bridge. Completed in 1345, it is the only bridge in Florence to survive the devastation of World War II. Once home to butchers, since 1593, the bridge has been reserved for jewelers, maintaining a glittering tradition of craftsmanship. Above the shops runs the secret Vasari corridor, an elevated passageway allowing the Medici to cross the city in private. It is here that the word bankruptcy was born, from the bancaroto, the broken benches of merchants who could not pay their debts. As the sun dips below the horizon, the Golden Bridge reminds us that Florence is a city built on beauty and trade. In our final chapter, we cross the river to explore the Oltrarno district, from the Grand Pitti Palace to the sprawling Boboli Gardens. Thank you for walking with us. Join us for the conclusion of our journey in part 3. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.